Hello my PC students. We have another video, and now this is starting to be your review. You've done lots of assignments, so you're coming now to a review, so these should be quite easy for you. So I'll go over some of the main parts, but I may not cover all of it because, as I say, it's review for you. So go to File, go to Open, Browse, and go to your Classes Drive. So find your Classes Drive, and then go to your PC folder, and go to your folder called Teaching Documents, and open up the one called XX Sellar Corporation Review. XX Sellar Corporation Review. Okay, it's open on your screen. The first thing we want to do is go File, Save As, and go to Browse, and now go to your U drive. So go to your name, go to your Print.com folder, go to your Excel folder, click in the file name box, press Home, type in your first name, and put in the current date for you, whatever it happens to be, and press Enter. Alright, I see the Arial right away, so let's click in cell A1, hold down your Control and Shift key, and press the End key. Alright, actually I think I want to go further than that, so go Control Home, hold down your Shift key and click in about G20, alright, and go change it, and we want it to be Calibri, and we want it to be size 12. Okay, so the question says to us, calculate the amount of increase, decrease, actual to planned, okay, actual to planned, as compared to the actual amount. Alright, so here I'm going to go first of all though, View, Zoom, and I'm going to go to Custom and make it 150. So we said we're going to put up here increase slash increase, decrease, percent. All right, so here, now if I wanted this to wrap, remember I could have gone here, and when I was keying it in, I could have went Alt Enter, and then I would have had it on 2 lines, except I want to make this a little bit wider so that, hold on, that it looks like this. Okay, and of course your headings later, you would likely go to Home, and you would go to Center, Center. And I'll drag this down a bit so that you've got room. Okay, so it said we want to take equals the actual to the planned. Okay, so the actual minus the planned. Okay, so that's the amount of increase or decrease. Okay, in this first scenario, the actual was less than the planned. And we want to say as compared to, and that means divide, the actual amount. All right, so we were under budget there, so that's good. And then we're going to drag it down to C. So sometimes we were over budget, sometimes we were under budget. All right, and then we want to click on our percent sign, and we want 2 decimal places. So that was very easy for you to do. Now our amounts, we want to click here in C5, hold down your Shift key, and we want to go right click and format cells, and you want to have accounting with 2 decimal places and a $sign for starters. And then on these ones where there are no totals, we want no $sign. So we're going to go to Format Cells, and we're going to go to Accounting and say no $sign. All right, that looks pretty good, but I think it did ask you for the totals. So here, what would you do? You would click on C5, hold down your Shift key, and click on D13, and you're going to go Alt equals. And of course you can see your number symbols, so you know you have to widen the columns. Alright, so now here's your total sales that you had, and you've got all your increases and decreases according to the budget. And if we drag this down with the totals, then you've got the overall, you were under budget by 2.29%. Alright, so save your work. That's what you had, and you've learned how to do those type of questions, so that shouldn't be a problem for you. Now, centering the headings and doing your headers and footers, you can do that. I'm not going to go over that with you. So save it there, and we'll stop.